All right, this is Tree Donut take two. It went 132 feet from up that way. And the only reason it stopped where it did is it hit this nice fine rock right here. This looks like andesite. And all that rolling cleared out the little middle of it, so it looks even more like a donut. Pretty cool, pretty fun, just rolling along by rolling logs along. So, you know, it's good to go out and have fun in the forest. The one thing I always ask of you mountain kids is to be respectful about it. You don't want to hurt anyone or anything unnecessarily. And because we want to leave the world a better place than we found it. But you can certainly go out and have some fun with it. So take good care. Thanks to my assistant Gaia for her dreaming and scheming on this. And send me your videos. Just again, I only want you to do this if you can do it in a way that's not destructive, okay? Just like the cone crunching, it's actually helpful out there. All right, take care, bye.